connect two offset points tool is used to connect two offset points. Now, basically, you need to think of the child alignment as a thread pulled through as many offset points as there are to create the child. And think of each offset point as the eye of a needle. Now, to demonstrate an often misunderstood concept, I've created a simple two offset point child where we have set the first offset point 6 feet deep below the existing surface and the second point 3 feet deep below the existing surface. And most people don't realize that they can connect the child offset points with different methods than the offset points were created with. So to demonstrate that, we have a short profile panel here where this is the center line of the road. Here's the center line of the road, and we have superimposed the profile of this alignment onto the profile panel. Now, let's first of all take a look at the offset points themselves. We'll edit the offset point, and we see that we have come over 35 feet to the right, and we have used the elevation from surface 0 minus 6 feet. So we've gone 6 feet deep below surface 0, which surface 0 is the existing ground. Okay? And we just happen to have moved it back 20 feet from the marker. The other offset point is also 35 feet over, but it is 3 feet deep below surface 0, and no station modifier. Now, when you use the connect off 2 points, you can click any 2 points to connect them or to run the thread through them, or when there's only 2 points, it's sometimes convenient just to hit the connect 1 to 2 button. So we could do that, or we can click the 2 points. So let's connect from here to here, and we get a connection method. Now, each of the connection methods have options underneath them. So we'll examine all these in a minute, but let's just look at the taper. The taper horizontal offsets. Well, of course, if we taper the horizontal offsets and we start at 35 feet, we end up at 35 feet, it'll be 35 feet everywhere in between. Okay? So, connect 1 to 2. So, while we're tapering along from 35 to 35 horizontally, what is it we're doing vertically? So these are the options for what we do vertically. Now, at the moment, we're prorating the cross slope. So we can see the effect of whatever the slope is out here. There's one slope it takes to come over 35 feet and go however deep it is in the ground. That'll be some slope. Over here, we've come 35 feet and gone 3 feet in the ground, and that's going to create some slope based on what the elevation of the parent happens to be at those points. So we see the effect of prorating a cross slope on the profile of this alignment. But let's do something different. Let's connect. We'll taper, but we'll connect while prorating the elevation. Now we see we get a straight grade line. Now, it wouldn't matter if this was a curved alignment horizontally. We would still have a straight grade line, carry away drainage. So what we've done is we have prorated the elevation here to the elevation here, and we end up with a straight grade line. So it's important to note that you can use several different methods to connect two offset points that don't necessarily represent the way they were connected. I mean, the way the offset points were established to begin with.